There comes a time when we heed a certain call, when the world must come together as one. There are people dying. Oh, when it's time to lend a hand to life.
I want to thank you from the bottom of our hearts for your generous donation. It really helps us fundraise all the money that we need to make this place come alive. I want to tell you that in the last 8 months we helped more than 1,000 people that comes on Sunday, Tuesday and Wednesday, and thanks again.
We want to thanks to Bar-Alevich Foundation and everyone who stand by us in those difficult times. Thanks for your support, we were able to establish the Center for Training Complex Trauma Therapists. And thank you for being part of the recovery and restoration process that Israel needs so much today, more than ever. Thank you so much, we really appreciate that.
And the truth, you know love is all we need.
I want to say thanks for the donation that made happen the connection with Take Care. With Take Care, for me, helped me doing better my work and better for the families, and thank you very much.
I would like to take this opportunity and say thank you. Thank you to the Berowitz family and foundation for your trust and for your support, and thank you for believing in us and for your flexibility.
Send them your heart so they know that someone cares.
Dear Bar-Alevich family, my name is Dr. Ortal Atzil, and I wanted to express my gratitude for your generous donation to my lab at Rupin Academic Center. Thanks to your supports, I have conducted a significant study on families on the home front dealing with chronic and acute stress since October 7.
משפחת ברלוביץ' היקרה, לי קוראים ישי, ואני מבית יוסי באשדוד. אני רוצה לספר לכם שהייתה לי את הזכות להכיר את מרלן ואת ברי, ומהיום שהם דרכו בבית יוסי לפני 6 או 7 שנים, לא הפסיקה הדאגה אלינו. תודה מעומק הלב על הכל.
I would like to thank you. With your support, we were able to reach more than 100,000 lives and to support their resilience and their emotional condition. We succeed to recruit 3 social workers and countrywide emotional staff to provide group and one-on-one sessions and trainings for our educational teams all over the country.
קרן ברלוביץ', אני רוצה להגיד לכם תודה ענקית, כי אתם זיהיתם את הצורך הזה כבר בתחילת המלחמה, שבו היינו צריכים אוויר לנשימה למימון של הפעילות שלנו, ובזכותכם ובזכות קרנות אחרות שעזרו לנו, העברנו ציוד בשווי של יותר $13 מיליון בתקופה האחרונה, וזה דבר מדהים, ואני רוצה להגיד לכם תודה ענקית.
Thank you so much for your generous contribution through which Mind to Be One conducted mindfulness workshops for residents from the north and south of Israel. Additionally, we organized an extensive mindfulness workshop for reserve soldiers, enhancing their well-being and providing them with renewed energy. Thank you so much.
אני רוצה להודות למשפחת ברלוביץ' על התרומה המשמעותית והנדיבה בתקופה כה מאתגרת בחברה שלנו. בזכות התרומה שלכם הצלחנו להעניק טיפול ראשוני, התערבות ראשונית לנפגעי מלחמת חרבות ברזל בדרום על ידי קבוצות חוסן וחשיפה והנגשה של טיפול מותאם תרבות לקהילה האתיופית בדרום, ולכך אני מודה לכם. תודה רבה.
Dear Berlovitz family, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Your donation helped more than 2,000 lone soldiers to concentrate in their mission and their mission only. Your help was the right thing in the right time and helped us to help the soldiers with gear, with hot clothing, water, food, hygiene, and even the option to speak with a professional psychologist in a time of need.
After October 7, our community faced several difficulties that threatened our future. Trust capacity building, grant aided, and raising more than 12 million shekels so far, all directed for our rehabilitation. On behalf of everyone in Suffolk, thank you for being there for us in our toughest time. You deserve to take pride as our rehabilitation is your success. Thank you.
משפחת פרלוביץ' היקרה, אני מבקשת להודות על תמיכה נדיבה שמטרתה הקמת מערך קבוע ויציב לגיוס משאבים שיאפשר לנו להנגיש טיפול ארוך ובאמת נגיש לנפגעי טראומה כתוצאה מהמלחמה הזו ובכלל. תודה רבה לכם.